Ice rod.
On the ice rod. First Laker. Absolute mayhem. There he is. Oh, it's a good one. Nice, dude. That's a nice fish. Woo! Very cool. Very cool.
Well, and right there. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Jesus Christ. I can't hold it.
I need phone to film it.
Oh my god.
Put it back in the net.
Oh my god. Oh my lord. How the hell do you hold these things?
Get it. Ready? Letting go.
I got him. I don't have him. Oh, alright, alright.
Go.
Oh my god. Horrible. Oh, this poor fish. There he goes.
Oh my god.
There he goes. Went right down. He's fine. Oh, fucking Christ, dude. You didn't tell me you can't hold them. I wouldn't even have tried. Yeah, number 2 on the ice rod. I'm not holding this fucking thing. Oh, that's a better one. Hell yeah, dude.
That's a good one.
Look at that thing.
Like you have to hold it.
Oh, I'm holding it, yeah. I got you. Son of a bitch.
Look at you.
Oh, it jumped.
Right.
All right. Oh, yeah, definitely measure him. How big do you think he is? Close to it. All right. My first real Laker.
Medium.
Medium? All right, buddy. Ready? Say goodbye. There he goes. Oh, he's gone. Chris is on. For the sake of science. Oh yeah, he got bit by something. I wonder if there's a much bigger one down there.
Giant pickerel.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I like pickerel.
Alright, now I need to catch one, guys.
If I hook one, I'll hand it to you. Don't tell Chris. That was the suspended fish, right?
It was one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. See how I hold on to him though, man?
Squeezing to death.
Just his tail. He really wants to bite Katie.
He does want to bite you. There he goes. Ooh, right down. Money. Well, I gotta be on the bottom by now, right? You got him. That's a nice one. Yeah, biggest fish of the day. Hell yeah. Mayhem. Fucking got him, man. Nailed him. Textbook.
Take my picture with your portrait mode.
Oh, I will. Don't you worry. Chris, you better get out of the way. Can you hold it? I would need to see somebody else
Did
drop
you
a
ask
fish.
if I could hold it? Can you hold one?
I need somebody else to drop one, so I feel better.
Don't hold these the same time.
I am so ready. I don't think I've ever been this ready. Are you ready? That thing's fat as fuck. God, it's so big. I gotta go back.
Let me fix him.
Wait, you want to measure it?
Oh, yeah. Can you measure him?
It's a good fish, Katie. Things just squeezed. 28. That's a nice fish. Very good. Biggest one. There you go.
Right,
fuck yeah. Alright, and we still got some time.
Clean the net.
Clean the net. Oh my god, my car stinks. The carp smell. This is on again. That looks like a good one. I can't get over there to net it. So. Oh, it's a baby. Oh, it looks so big. Got me all worked up.
You have it.
This reel is scary. I don't ever want to click that button again.
Why did you tangle it?
No, it just,
comes
I
out
clicked
fast.
it. It didn't want to like fully click. Chris, you want a picture? Tell yellow dog is 36
Let's see you hold it. Can
inches.
you-
The little one's harder to hold
Yes.
because you got
One
less.
time
Bitch, stop fucking moving.
Chris, what are you doing, man? Oh, what? You can't hold the fish? And put it in portrait. Oh, God. I didn't even take a good picture. I got him pointed straight at me. Yep, mid fish flop. Oh yeah.